Volcano chicken noodle.
Yeah.
You just licked the packet, didn't you?
Yeah,
Not a good idea, was it?
not bad. Not at all. Actually got real good flavor to it. God damn.
Can you not cuss? Thanks.
She'll be able to do it.
She said we'll see.
Got a little heat.
You want a fork or spoon?
It's crushed up. Spoon's gonna be better.
Okay. Wait, aren't you supposed to start at the same time?
We're not having a competition here. We're gonna see who's gonna do it. Give her a head start. So.
Is it hot?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it is.
Damn.
La ile.
Tiny bites.
Now it's getting hot.
Heartburn. All gone. You smell?
No.
Okay. They got some good spice to them. Real good. Good flavor though.
What'd you take her chair for?
Gotta say, I'm proud of this girl. I know, I just ate the whole damn bowl. That shit ain't no joke. Hot?
Say hi. Say that. I love man.
You okay?
Yeah, okay.
I'm proud of her. She did it. I didn't think she'd do it. I got a lot of guys at work that wouldn't do that. My nose is still running. The heat's kind of finally settled down, but once that heat starts going, your nose starts running, there's no stopping it.
Well, I guess if you need to unclog your nose, you just eat some volcano chicken noodle ramen.
Yeah, no joke. Or suck on the pack.
Do you think that's hotter?
Which one more? What higher? Now you do it.
That one's more hot.
Yeah. That's why you say hi.
Neither. Kimberly, is that one hot?
Yeah.
No? Is that hot?
What high?
Want to try some hot sauce in it? I'll put a little bit of hot sauce in it.
That. I got it, man. You should. That's crazy hot.
That's not crazy hot. Come on. Come on. That shit I got in the cupboard's crazy hot.
It's spicy, pussy.
You know? I know I was feeling sick today, but I feel this spice has kind of brought something up in me. I'm gonna try something tonight. I'm feeling frisky.
He's about to make himself sick is what he's about to do, just so everybody knows.
Oh, here we go, guys. Welcome to Chris's tournament.
What's one about food?
Don't put it in your food.
Alright, I'm feeling a little ballsy tonight. Oh shit, I might have fucked up. No,
Turn that package over.
I'm gonna hit number 3. Fuck it, we're doing all 3 of these last 3. Death Nut 3.0.
Oh, he got all over the counter.
Shy.
Oh, there's something wrong with you.
Gotta love spice in life.
There's seriously something
That's
wrong with you.
This is gonna hurt me, but we're doing it. Tired of waiting. God help me.
immediate regret. Jeez, you guys are gonna kill the paper towel roll.
I'm done.
That was it? You can't
After
do
that
it?
bowl of soup, yeah.
Kimberly still got some left in there. Did you finish it?
Hello.
You did it!
Hey, quick.
Tell all your HOH friends in sign language how hot it was.
That's right.
Sign language.
That's right.
Huh?
No.
What? No, don't do that. Done?
Bye-bye.
Okay.